Today, I am reviewing the Lenovo 14 G4 laptop for business. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you are looking for a laptop that does exactly what it says on the box without any of the flashy, overpriced gimmicks that plague most modern tech, you might have just found it. I have been putting the Lenovo V14 Gen 4 through its paces for the last 2 weeks, and while it isn't going to win any beauty contests or handle high-end video editing, it is a remarkably sensible machine for anyone who just needs to get work done. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of why I think this is a bit of a hidden gem for students and office workers, feel free to check the links below the video if you want to explore the current pricing, or see if there are any deals running on this specific configuration right now. Let's start with the elephant in the room, which is the internal hardware. You are getting an Intel Core i7-13620H processor here, which is honestly overkill for a base-level business machine, and I mean that in a good way. In my testing, this chip handled everything from heavy spreadsheet management to having 30 browser tabs open while running a background sync, and it didn't stutter once. The processor is the star of the show, but there is a major caveat you need to be aware of immediately. The base configuration comes with 8 GB of RAM and 256 GB of storage. Out of the box, that is just enough to get by, but it is not enough for the long haul. The good news is that Lenovo actually made this machine modular. You can bump that RAM up to 16 GB and throw in an extra drive for storage, which is a rare and welcome feature in this price bracket. If you buy this, plan on doing that upgrade because it transforms the laptop from a basic starter unit into a genuine workhorse. The build quality is exactly what you would expect from the V series, which is to say it is functional, understated, and built to take a few bumps. It is not made of premium aluminum, so it does not feel like a luxury device, but the chassis is solid enough to toss into a backpack without worrying about the screen flexing every time you move. I really appreciated the inclusion of the physical privacy shutter on the webcam. It is a small detail, but for anyone who spends their entire day on Microsoft Teams or Zoom, having that tactile confirmation that the camera is covered is a massive peace of mind. The display is a 14-inch FHD panel, and while it is not the most color-accurate screen I have ever used, it is perfectly adequate for documents, emails, and web browsing. The thin bezels give it a modern look, and the brightness is sufficient for indoor office lighting, though you might struggle if you try to work directly under harsh sunlight at a coffee shop. Speaking of connectivity, this is where the V14 Gen 4 really shines compared to its ultra-thin competitors. You get an actual RJ45 Ethernet port, which is becoming an endangered species on laptops today. If you work in an environment where Wi-Fi is spotty or you need a stable connection for large file transfers, that port alone justifies the purchase for many people. You have got Wi-Fi 6 for when you're on the move, and the port selection overall is practical enough that you probably will not need to carry a dongle with you everywhere you go. If you decide to pick one up, check the links below to see if the current price point aligns with your budget, as I've seen it fluctuate quite a bit lately. Now, I have to be honest about the downsides because no laptop is perfect. The integrated Intel UHD graphics are strictly for productivity. Do not buy this machine thinking you're going to play modern games or do serious 3D rendering. It is not built for that, and the cooling system, while quiet, is designed for sustained office workloads rather than high-intensity bursts of creative work. Also, the base 256 GB drive is going to fill up faster than you expect once you install your standard suite of applications and start saving local files, so you should definitely factor in the cost of a secondary drive if you're a data hoarder. The keyboard is comfortable enough for long writing sessions, but it lacks the deep, satisfying travel that the more expensive ThinkPad lines are known for. It is serviceable, but it won't be winning any awards for tactile feedback. So, who is this laptop actually for? I think this is a fantastic choice for students who need a reliable machine for research and writing, or for small business owners who need a dedicated, no-nonsense computer for administrative tasks. It is also a great option for someone who wants a secondary machine for travel that they don't have to baby. However, if you are a creative professional, a video editor, or a gamer, you should definitely look elsewhere. You'll be disappointed by the color reproduction of the screen and the lack of dedicated graphical power. Ultimately, the Lenovo V14 Gen 4 is about utility. It hits a sweet spot between performance and price by giving you a powerful processor while keeping the non-essentials basic enough to keep costs down. The fact that it is upgradable is the real kicker here, as it gives you a clear path to extend the life of the machine as your needs grow. It is not a flashy laptop, but in my experience, those are usually the ones that end up being the most dependable partners for your daily grind. If you are interested in seeing the latest configurations or checking current availability, remember to take a look at the links below this video. It is a solid, honest piece of hardware that does its job well, provided you understand its limitations and are willing to take advantage of that upgradable memory and storage.